Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Miss Teena English Podcast. I'm Tina, and I'm very happy you are here today. In this episode, we are going to practice simple daily English conversation. Don't worry if your English is not perfect. This podcast is made for beginners. I will speak slowly, clearly, and naturally so you can listen easily and improve step by step. You can also repeat after me for speaking practice. So, take a deep breath, relax, smile a little, and let's practice English together. Morning routine conversation. Let's begin with a simple question. What do you usually do in the morning? I will answer first. I usually wake up at 6:30 in the morning. After I wake up, I drink water and wash my face. Then I make a cup of coffee. I really love coffee in the morning. Sometimes I listen to music while drinking coffee. It makes me feel calm and fresh. After that, I check my phone for messages. Then I start my work. Now repeat after me. I wake up early. I drink coffee. I start my day calmly. Very good. Talking about study and English learning. Many people ask me, how can I improve my English? And honestly, the answer is simple. Practice every day. Even 10 minutes is helpful. You do not need difficult grammar first. Start with simple English. Listen daily. Repeat sentences. Speak slowly. For example, hello, how are you? What did you do today? I am learning English. Small sentences are powerful. When I was learning new things, I also practiced little by little. Nobody becomes fluent in one day. English is like going to the gym. If you practice regularly, you become stronger slowly. Now let's do a small listening practice. Listen carefully. Today, I went to a cafe with my friend. We talked about movies, food, and travel. I ordered cold coffee and a sandwich. The cafe was quiet and relaxing. Now, did you understand? Let's repeat slowly. I went to a cafe. I ordered coffee. The cafe was relaxing. Very nice. Talking about favorite food. Food is a very fun topic in English conversation. My favorite food is pizza, especially cheese pizza. I also like noodles and Korean food sometimes. What about you? What is your favorite food? You can answer like this. My favorite food is biryani. I like burgers. I love spicy food. See? Simple English is enough. You do not need complicated words. When you speak English, confidence is more important than perfection. Talking about weather. Weather is another common conversation topic. For example, it is very hot today. It looks like rain. The weather is beautiful. These small sentences are used every day. You can practice them daily. When you look outside your window, try describing the weather in English. That is a very good habit. Now let's talk about social media and daily life. These days, many people spend time on social media. Maybe you watch YouTube, Instagram, or short videos online. And honestly, social media can also help your English. You can watch English videos, listen to podcasts, read comments, and learn new vocabulary. But remember something important. Do not compare yourself too much with others. Some people speak very fast online, but you are still learning, and that is perfectly okay. Learn at your own speed. Slow progress is still progress. Now, let's do a small listening practice. I am improving my English every day. Good. I am not afraid of mistakes. Very nice. I can speak English slowly and clearly. Excellent. One day, I will speak English confidently. Amazing. Why English is important. English can help you in many ways. You can travel more easily, understand movies, make international friends, study abroad, or get better job opportunities. English is not just a subject, it's a skill, and every day you practice, you are investing in yourself. That's something to feel proud of. Talking about hobbies. Hobbies make conversations interesting. For example, I like watching movies. I enjoy reading books. I love listening to music. My hobby is drawing. My hobby is listening to relaxing music at night. I also enjoy making English podcasts for you. What about you? Try answering in English. Even short answers are good practice. Relaxed English practice. Sometimes people feel nervous while speaking English. That's normal. Please remember, you do not need to sound perfect. You only need to keep practicing. Mistakes are part of learning. Even fluent speakers make mistakes sometimes. The important thing is keep trying. Every sentence you speak makes you a little stronger. Final practice. Before we finish, let's practice a few final sentences together. Repeat after me. I enjoy learning English. I practice every day. I am becoming more confident. I can understand English better now. Wonderful job. All right, everyone, that's the end of today's episode. Thank you so much for practicing English with me today. I hope you learned new words, new sentences, and felt more confident while listening. If you enjoyed this podcast, please like, subscribe, and support Miss Teena English Podcast. And comment below, what do you practice English every day? Keep learning, keep speaking, and never stop believing in yourself. I'm Teena, and I'll see you in the next episode. Goodbye, everyone.